Do you want to earn money faster? Now, that's a question we've all asked ourselves at least once in our lives. It's a universal desire, isn't it? To increase our income, to have that extra security, to be able to do more of what we love and less of what we don't. But it's also a challenge. The world of money and finance can be a labyrinth, full of twists and turns that leave us feeling lost and overwhelmed. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. In this video, we're going to present to you 5 solid tips that could help you earn money faster. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or lofty promises. They're practical, achievable steps grounded in real-world experience. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, to navigate through the labyrinth and come out on top, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover how you can boost your earnings in no time. Tip number 1, enhance your skills. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often this crucial step gets overlooked. You see, in a world that's constantly evolving, being complacent about your skills is a surefire way to fall behind. Let's dive a little deeper. Imagine you're a graphic designer. You've got a good handle on the basics, and you're comfortable with the software you use. But what happens when a new version of that software is released, or a new design trend takes the industry by storm? If you haven't kept your skills up to date, you'll find yourself struggling to keep up. So, how do you enhance your skills? Well, there are plenty of avenues to explore. For starters, online courses are a fantastic resource. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, often for free or at a very low cost. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to stay ahead of the curve or a newbie trying to break into your chosen field, there's a course out there for you. But don't limit yourself to just online courses. Workshops and seminars are another great way to learn from experts in your field. They offer a more hands-on approach and the opportunity to network with like-minded professionals. Who knows, you might even meet your next boss or business partner. And let's not forget about books. Yes, good old-fashioned books. They might seem a little antiquated in this digital age, but they're still a treasure trove of wisdom. Whether it's a how-to guide, a biography of a successful person in your field, or a book on the latest industry trends, reading is a great way to broaden your knowledge. To wrap it up, enhancing your skills is a continuous process, not a one-time event. It's about staying curious, staying humble, and never stopping learning. Remember, the more skilled you are, the higher the demand for your services or expertise. So go ahead, invest in yourself. You're worth it. Scene script. Moving on to tip number 2, diversify your income. Picture this. You're standing in a lush forest surrounded by different types of fruitful trees. Each tree represents a different income stream, and each fruit is a paycheck. Now imagine if you only had one tree. If that tree dies, you're left with nothing. But if you have a forest full of trees, the loss of one wouldn't be as devastating. That's the idea behind diversifying your income. Diversifying your income means creating multiple streams of income. The aim is not to put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, it's about spreading your income sources so that if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. So, how can you diversify your income? There are several ways, and it all depends on your skills, interests, and resources. One method is through investment. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can generate passive income over time. The key here is to research and understand your investments and to remember that all investment involves risk. Another way to diversify your income is by starting a side business. Do you have a hobby that could potentially make money? Perhaps you enjoy crafting, baking, or writing. Turning your hobby into a side business can not only bring in extra income, but also provide personal satisfaction. Freelancing is another great option. If you have a skill that's in demand, such as graphic design, writing, or programming, you can take on freelance projects. This allows you to control your workload and set your own rates. Finally, consider creating passive income streams. This could be through royalties from a book or a song, income from a rental property, or even earnings from a blog or YouTube channel. The beauty of diversifying your income is that it not only provides financial security, but also opens up new earning opportunities. It gives you the chance to explore different interests and passions, and who knows, one of those could turn into a full-time job. Diversifying your income can provide financial security and open up new earning opportunities. Scene script. Tip number 3. Network effectively. Imagine you're in a bustling city surrounded by millions of people. Each individual is a connection, a potential opportunity. This is the power of networking. It's like navigating a bustling city where each interaction can open doors to new possibilities. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about building genuine relationships with people in your industry. It's about making yourself known, gaining visibility, and establishing a reputation for your skills and abilities. Think of it this way. You're not just a single person trying to make your way in the world. You're part of a vast, interconnected web of professionals, all working in different capacities, with different skills and experiences. By tapping into this network, you can access a wealth of knowledge, opportunities, and resources that can help you grow professionally. One way to network effectively is by attending industry events. These could be trade shows, conferences, or meetups where professionals in your field gather to share ideas and insights. Here, you can meet potential mentors, learn about the latest trends, and even find job opportunities. Another way is by joining online communities. There are countless forums, groups, and platforms where professionals connect and collaborate. These communities can be a goldmine of information, providing insights that you won't find in textbooks or online courses. And let's not forget about social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can be powerful tools for networking. You can follow industry leaders, engage with their content, and even reach out to them directly. But remember, networking is not a one-way street. It's about giving as much as you're getting. Share your knowledge, offer your help, and be a valuable member of your network. In the end, networking is not just about who you know, but also who knows you. The more visible you are in your network, the more opportunities will come your way. And that's the power of networking. It's about building relationships, gaining visibility, and leveraging your connections to create opportunities. Effective networking can lead to better job opportunities and higher earnings. So get out there, make connections, and let your network help you earn money faster. Our fourth tip, negotiate your salary. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's a crucial step in making sure you're being paid what you're worth. It's not just about asking for more money, it's about recognizing your own value and ensuring that it's reflected in your paycheck. So, how do you go about it? The first step is research. Understand your industry's salary standards. There are plenty of online resources to help you get a ballpark figure. Once you have this information, it gives you a starting point for negotiation. Next, quantify your accomplishments. It's not enough to say you're good at what you do, you need to prove it. Did you bring in new clients? Did you exceed your sales targets? These are tangible results that can be used as leverage during negotiations. Now comes the tricky part, the actual negotiation. Remember, it's a conversation, not a confrontation. Begin by expressing your enthusiasm for your role and the company. Then, present your research and achievements. Be confident, but also be prepared to listen and compromise. Negotiating your salary isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. You should be ready to revisit the conversation during performance reviews or when your responsibilities change. Remember, the goal isn't to win an argument. It's to reach an agreement that recognizes your worth. Negotiating your salary can significantly increase your income and reflect your true value. So give it a try. You might surprise yourself with the results. Finally, tip number 5, be proactive. In the professional world, success often favors those who are willing to step forward, seize opportunities, and take charge. Being proactive is not just about doing your job well, but it's about going the extra mile. anticipating challenges and coming up with solutions before problems even arise. Imagine you're working on a project and you notice a potential hurdle down the line. Instead of waiting for the issue to become a problem, you take the initiative to address it. You brainstorm solutions, discuss it with your team, and implement a plan to avoid it. This kind of forward-thinking behavior is what sets proactive people apart. It's what gets noticed by management and can lead to promotions or new job opportunities. Or consider the scenario where you're aspiring to advance in your career. You could wait for a promotion to come your way, or you could proactively seek out opportunities for growth. This could mean asking for additional responsibilities, seeking out further training, or even volunteering for projects outside your usual scope. Proactivity also plays a significant role in your personal development. It propels you to continuously learn, evolve, and adapt, making you a valuable asset in any professional environment. In essence, being proactive is about taking control of your career and steering it in the direction you want it to go. So remember, don't just wait for opportunities to come to you. Be the captain of your own ship. Seek them out, seize them, and make the most of them. Being proactive can fast-track your earning potential. Now that we've revealed the 5 tips to earn money faster, it's time to take a quick recap. We started with enhancing your skills, an investment that pays the highest dividends. By polishing your abilities, you can increase your value in the job market. Then, we moved on to diversifying your income. By opening up multiple streams of revenue, you're not only earning more, but also securing your financial future. Next, we discussed the importance of networking effectively. By cultivating robust relationships, you can unlock opportunities that might otherwise stay hidden. We also touched upon negotiating your salary. Remember, knowing your worth and advocating for it is essential. Finally, we emphasized the power of being proactive. By taking initiative, you can drive your career forward and increase your earning potential. So go ahead, take these steps and watch your earnings grow. Thank you for watching.